Media phone cry ya down. Morning. General, media phone cry ya down.
I don't see so. Whatever so far, Shebrea Boya, no sooner was just a process in the process.
Well, I mean, as a party, we are Democrats and we believe in the rule of law. We believe in the electoral process and we are just going through the process. As you can see, all the delegates from the diaspora and the national executives are all here and everybody's going through the process. So nothing has changed and we're going to make sure that we ensure that the election is peaceful and whoever wins, wins.
For those of you in Ken, is the process going very regular across the country? You had a lot of issues to raise in the lead up to today. Are all issues really resolved, and what is the process looking like 35 minutes into polling?
No, it's too early in the day to say, but so far everything is going on perfectly smoothly. Everything is all right, and I think that eventually everything will be okay. I mean, the security is fantastic. You can see that IGP gave us his words, and you can see that the policemen on the beach, very good.
It's election day, but I still want to ask you this question. Your candidate, how confident are you? Because up until yesterday, there are those who say that they've looked at the data and they said that Dr. was full of it. But your candidate has also been very strong in telling us that he's going to do their prophecies that has really gone in his favor. Are you confident? But by 2 p.m. today, when polls close, Agyapong will be the flag bearer of the NPP?
Well, in the end, you see, it's not about words or, it's not about whatever you say. The grassroots are there and they are the people who are going to determine who has become the flag bearer of the MPP. And we know and we are confident that the ordinary MPP voters are going to vote for Kennedy Agyapong to become the flag bearer. Today, you see it. Overwhelming majority, 56%.
Oh, wow, 56%.
Yes.
Against the former vice president.
Yes.
Was the party's flag bearer in the last election.
Kennedy started last year, very late in the middle of the campaign. You saw it. He ended up with 37% with all the establishment support and everything. He was able to garner 37%. And this time around, he's fully involved in a campaign, going around the country, crisscrossing, selling his message, and everybody see the endorsement that came later stages from our party, big wigs, all throwing their support behind Kennedy Agyapong. It tells you that we're not doing campaign here, but I'm just telling you that in the end, he will emerge as the new flag bearer of the new patriotic party.
Now, and you may say so far, it's an apartment, it's why I'm on a check. Baby, I'm not eating, and I'm your cosadium penal.
Yeah. Inshallah, we're winning.
What you say?
Inshallah, we're winning.
We're winning.
Yeah. Number 3 is winning.
Okay. It's yes, and we're banging now. Yeah, Titi, Sembe Bray. Yeah, Titi, and Sembe Bray say goodbye and vote to Jessica. They told vote near the what to be. A bomb one. That's a woman.
Maybe I want to honor me. I don't care anybody because it shows guys we still can make change.
It's because now the media is a lot. In those days, what Edubuai told New Jabin constituency, did you know? All of us didn't know. But now, as you are speaking to them, it is live all over the place. That's why we are seeing this kind of, you call it acrimony. It is not. At the end of the day, you saw the peace pacts that we all signed. Today, the process has been very transparent. At the end of the day, by 4 p.m., the winner, as expressed by majority of our party people, will be declared, and that ends it.
Okay, General Wadaroma, she said only about to na posema Adum TV.
Oh yeah, so far there, so very good. So the mekan, party be first no na ya desire. Say oh domo for yeah na democracy no ya ti accept. Did there you use the process over within 5 minutes. Now what to happen every ABC or baby ada. This is the only party in this country. Your members 211,000 a year in various polling stations. To won't be Wagana ada. This is the new patriotic party. The MPP asema and yes, seven Yaman Kofo Kika Wechino. Kofo believe we say what will be that a party be or in this world? Our opposition. They are about within 18 hours no one to be collecting the results. Did you just follow up what we have believed in over the years and it is continuing.
I think where they put the